Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computers, mobile phones, servers, networks, and digital information from hackers and cyber threats.
Thousands of cyber attacks happen every minute. It happens rapidly. That's why cybersecurity is now our most important field. Today, banking, shopping, education, hospitals, and government services all depend on the internet. Hackers use phishing, malware, and ransomware, viruses, and identity theft to steal information and cause financial damage. Every organization needs cybersecurity, from banks and hospitals to schools and governments, and
security and business continuity. Major areas of cybersecurity include network security, application security, information security, cloud security, endpoint security, identity and access management, cryptography,